Hi there guys, it's Shiki on your screen. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Oraimo Airbus 3. I got this for a client. Person's going to be getting this tomorrow, but I really loved it and I would have loved to do a review before I send it out. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see what it looks like, and yeah. So I already opened this earlier before now, so everything is not going to be in place the way it ought to be, but yeah, we're going to see it. Usually when you open this, it's usually sealed, so when you open this, the AirPods are usually here. You can see two AirPods are here, and then this case, and then charger, a cord. Yes. First thing I love about this Bluetooth is the size. It's really small. It's so cute. I love it. It has one button here, and you turn that on. It gives that red light. Oh my god, is this on? Yeah, you can see the red light, and then yeah. Oh my god. Now let's get to the best part. The earbuds, oh my god, it's heaven. Oh but yeah, it's heaven. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like, guys. Like, check this out. And it's really small, like small and really cute. And then let me use there. You can see it in my ear. Fits comfortable. Oh my god, it's so nice. And then when you want to connect, it actually shows this on screen, so it's not like you're getting rubbish. You're getting really something really nice. So you could get this earbud for just 8,500 naira, and I'm gonna send it to whatever location you are or you find yourself. Okay, for those of you in Abuja, this is available for immediate pickup, and you can get this for just 8,500 naira. 8,500 naira, guys. This is too cheap for the price. I'm telling you, these buds are so nice. If you hear the sound, it's everything.